Welcome to Everyday English.
Welcome, everyone. In this video, we'll explore 32 phrasal verbs about cleaning, with meanings and examples, in just a few minutes.
Clean out. Meaning, to remove all contents from a space. Example, I need to clean out the garage to make room for the new car. Wipe down. Meaning, to clean a surface by wiping it with a cloth or sponge. Example, please wipe down the kitchen counters after cooking. Sweep up. Meaning, to clean an area by sweeping and collecting debris. Example, she swept up the leaves from the driveway. Mop up. Meaning, to clean a floor by mopping with a wet mop. Example, I'll mop up the spilled juice on the kitchen floor. Dust off. Meaning, to remove dust from a surface or object. Example, he dusted off the old books on the shelf. Vacuum up. Meaning, to clean by using a vacuum cleaner. Example, it's time to vacuum up the carpets in the living room. Scrub down. Meaning, to clean a surface by scrubbing it vigorously. Example, I need to scrub down the bathtub. It's really dirty. Wash up. Meaning, to clean one's hands and face. Example, after playing outside, the children washed up before dinner. Polish up. Meaning, to make something shiny and clean through polishing. Example, she polished up the silverware for the special occasion. Tidy up. Meaning, to make a space neat and organized. Example, let's tidy up the living room before our guests arrive. Clean off. Meaning, to remove dirt or grime from a surface. Example, I need to clean off the mud from my shoes. Sweep away. Meaning, to remove something completely by sweeping. Example, the wind swept away the fallen leaves. Rinse off. Meaning, to clean by rinsing with water. Example, please rinse off the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. Dust down. Meaning, to remove dust from high surfaces or objects. Example, she dusted down the ceiling fan. Hoover up. Meaning, to clean using a vacuum cleaner. Example, he hoovered up the crumbs from the carpet. Wash down. Meaning, to clean something with water and possibly soap. Example, the car needs a good wash down to get rid of the dirt. Wipe off. Meaning, to remove something by wiping with a cloth. Example, I'll wipe off the grease stains from the kitchen counter. Bleach out. Meaning, to remove stains or discoloration using bleach. Example, she bleached out the white shirts to make them look new. Air out. Meaning, to remove odors by allowing fresh air to circulate. Example, let's air out the room to get rid of the musty smell. Declutter. Meaning, to remove unnecessary items to make a space less cluttered. Example, it's time to declutter the closet and donate old clothes. Tear up. Meaning, to clean or remove something by tearing it into pieces. Example, she tore up the old papers and threw them away. Flush out. meaning to clean something out by flushing it with water. Example: we need to flush out the clogged drain. Blow away, meaning to remove dust or debris by blowing air on it. Example: he used an air compressor to blow away the sawdust. Dust up, meaning to create dust by disturbing an area. Example: be careful not to dust up the old attic too much. Sweep out, meaning to clean a space thoroughly by sweeping. Example: we need to sweep out the garage before we can use it. Wash away, meaning to remove dirt or stains by washing with water. Example: heavy rain can wash away the mud on the driveway. Brush off, meaning to remove dirt or dust by brushing it away. Example: she brushed off the crumbs from the table. Mop down, meaning to clean a large area by mopping it. Example: they mopped down the entire gym floor after practice. Pick up, meaning to clean up or tidy a space by picking up items. Example: please pick up your toys from the living room. Sweep in, meaning to clean or gather items into one place by sweeping. Example: she swept in all the scattered leaves into a pile. Tune up, meaning to clean and make minor adjustments or improvements to something to ensure it functions at its best. Example: I need to tune up my lawnmower before the start of the gardening season. Buff out, meaning to clean or polish a surface, often using a specialized product or technique. Example: the auto detailer buffed out the scratches on my car's paint, making it look like new. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep practicing your English and see you in the next video.